Hey guys, welcome back to another Coding Tricks video. In today's video, we are answering the question of, can programming be done on a phone? Alright, first I want to redirect you to some of my other videos. One of them is one of my most viewed videos on YouTube, and all these videos are just about little apps that are fun that you can download on various devices, and they are really good with programming with. Now to answer the question, absolutely. Of course you can program on a phone. Now I'm not saying that it's going to be the most amazing experience you'll ever have, but you can do it. Now, the phone isn't going to be able to handle everything you're throwing at it. However, if you are developing an app, it's nice to have the device to test the app on, as well as having the device to program at the same time. If you've seen my video, Best App for Programming on iPhone, then you'd know that Coder is my favorite app on the iOS system. It allows you to program in various languages, and it allows you to be able to test the code right from the program. In fact, I'm right here having a poll that you guys can answer to see if you want me to make a video where I make a website entirely from my phone. So with programming, you're going to have multiple devices. And on computers, no matter what you have, Windows, Mac, Linux, I would say to use Sublime Text. Sublime Text recently released a new version known as Sublime Text 4, which has a lot of improvements from Sublime Text 3, but the third version is one of my favorites of all time, and I think it's absolutely amazing. On your iPhone and iPad devices, I would say to use the app that I suggested earlier known as Coder. It is a really nice app for programming, and it makes everything super nice to use. If you don't see my video about that, it'll give you more information about it. And if you have any questions, there are a lot of questions that were answered in the comments, and if you have any others or just want to join, I also have a Discord server that you can go see in the description. On your Android devices, since there are so many different devices and different things, that part that stands out the most would be Samsung. With Samsung, I personally like to use Code Editor by Rhythm Software, and then I like to make it be identified as a game in Samsung software, and then I like to make it so you can access the game center, which means you can have notes, messages, all that, and music and stuff while you're coding, which makes it a lot easier with coding. And I like to put Chrome or any other browser that you use into a pop-up screen so that you can access it at any time, because that way you can open your project in Chrome at any time you want and you still have your code right there. Any other Android device, it's a lot harder to program from them, but I would say that you should still use the Code Editor app and put your browser into split screen mode at the top, so that way you can access it, and I'd put it in the smallest form possible just so that you can still see a lot of your code while you're programming. And then when you're going to use it, make the browser bigger, of course, but that's like my favorite to use, and it's a lot harder on other Android devices just because they don't have the feature that Samsung has, but it really does make things more efficient. Now, if you disagree with me, that is perfectly fine. I would like to hear what you guys are doing about programming on a phone. But if you'd like to know how it all works and how I know this all works, it's because I've had 3 to 4 different Android devices, and I'm currently using a Samsung A71 5G, and I've had an iPhone for a long time as well, and so I know what apps work good on programming because I've been programming for a while now, and so I know what works good on different phones. Anyways, quickly, for those who are wondering if a phone is powerful enough to program, absolutely. Phones have been so powerful these days that you can do almost anything on them. Like, I'm not joking, you can do a lot on them. Now, I'm not saying that you should have entire servers or databases on them, because that would make it really difficult. Your phone can't handle entire servers and people going through it at all times. But programming web development, Python, Java is actually really good on the phone, and it's really easy and the phone can handle it. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. It really does mean a lot to me, and it would mean a lot more to me if you were willing to subscribe, like, comment, and share. It really helps me to grow, and I'm trying to reach 200 subscribers, so it would really benefit me. Anyways, thanks, and we'll see you on the next video.